Welcome aboard for an all-new big world adventure. Let's visit different countries, make new friends together, and learn about other cultures. Race with other trains. Create your very own train set or build it with a blueprint. In Thomas and Friends Adventures, the world is just a train ride away. Tap this location to start a new adventure. Welcome to China. Tap on the activity to get started. Hello! Have you ever seen a dragon? When I was in China, I saw one. You don't believe me? Play and see for yourself. Let's ride!
Thomas was in China with his friend Yong Bao, enjoying the wonders of the Spring Festival. All the while, I had been looking for him.
There were lanterns everywhere for the New Year celebrations. It was so beautiful. It was also quite noisy. Yong Bao was trying to tell me what he enjoyed most about the festival. But all I heard was, "You will carry the dragon." Wait, did he say the dragon? What dragon? 3, 2, 1, go! Use these parts to build a train set. Place them on highlighted spaces. What a fun ride! Drag a train to the track. Fantastic!
You did a great job! Look! A dragon jump! You are right on time! Thomas! Where is Thomas? Yong Bao was so excited that his friend was with him that he went a little too fast for Thomas.
Let's race! Three, 2, 1, go! Hold the big train button to go. Tap the boost button to zoom ahead.
Don't be late!
Congratulations!
You've won a Rainbow Mountain!
I was a little embarrassed to tell Yong Bao that I hadn't heard what he had said, but he repeated it anyway, and it was clear. As a guest, I was going to carry the dragon.
All aboard! Oh, bother!
I was frightened. Dragons breathe smoke and fire, and they are pretty scary.
But for Yong Bao, carrying the dragon was quite an honour, and he was happy to share it with you, Thomas.
3, 2, 1, go! Trace the white track with your finger. It's now time to have fun with your new special track piece. Let's add this one here. You can erase the track with this button.
Fill the meter to complete the activity and get an exciting new prize.
Wonderful!
Oh, it's Young Bao!
I was quite worried about carrying the dragon.
What a great construction! Have you tried these new tracks in the free build activity?
I thought you were the dragon.
Me? A dragon?
Oh, a talking chicken?
Thomas! Wait!
Wonderful!
You get a fish fountain!
Let's...
Thomas! Where is Thomas? When Thomas met Hong Mei, she told him that he was lucky to carry the dragon. She told him it would be big and noisy. Thomas felt even more scared.
So I told Yong Bao that I didn't want to carry the dragon. He was surprised, but he agreed to take it instead. I felt relieved, but... Let's race! Three, two, one, go! Wait for me! Let's go!
Good job!
Congratulations!
It's a lion puppet! But then, Thomas heard Young Bao say that he would be taking the lion instead.
A lion? Oh no. I decided that if I arrived at the station first and filled my coaches with people, I wouldn't have room for the lion.
All aboard!
I was so excited. The New Year party was amazing. Until I remembered the lion. I had to tell Yong Bao that I didn't have it.
Oh, yes you did, Thomas. Everyone laughed. See, Thomas had brought the lion on board. It was just not a real lion. It was a puppet.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, wow!
This railway is useful and fun. Amazing job! You did a great job! It's a dragon cave!
And you should have seen my face when I saw the dragon. It wasn't a real one, just another giant puppet. In the end, there was nothing scary at all about the New Year celebrations.
And you learned something new.
Xinyan Kuai Le. It means Happy New Year.
You are right on time.
I learned that sometimes when I get scared, I imagine all sorts of things. Just like when I thought I was going to see a real scary dragon. But it turned out to be something fun. It was just people dancing and carrying a big puppet dragon. And I loved it. So next time you get scared, talk to someone. And maybe you'll realize it's not that scary after all. Wow! Let's ride the rails to discover the wonders of China.